We'll take up the new lesson. What is about the adaptation in plants. Now, if you go out traveling, also you'll find many plants over there. If you are in around your houses, also you will find many plants. But did you observe the leaves also anytime? You feel like plucking that plant and putting it in your pot also. But do you think that it will grow? No, it will not grow because it has adapted to live in that place only. So that is why the change of place also it will not grow. How? The warmer climatic conditions will not grow in a cold climate conditions. The cold climatic conditions trees cannot grow in a warmer places. So that is why the environment is such that they have adapted to live. Adapted means what? The plants are created with some special features. These special features they help them to grow in the environment. So these special features are called adaptations. The adaptations means you will find plants growing on the plains on the land also, and plants growing in the water also. So there are two kinds of plants are there. What are they? They are plants which are growing on the land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial. Terrestrial plants. And the spelling of terrestrial is terrestrial. Terrestrial plants. Plants which are growing in the water are called aquatic plants. On the land plants, we will see the different habitats are there. Plants which are growing in the land, different habits. Usually they grow on the land. So you might have seen the bulbohor, neem, and depend upon the right amount of climate, warm climate and cold climatic conditions they grow. So let us learn in detail about the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants, the plants which are growing in the plains. Number one, plants in plains. The plants which are growing in the plains means you have seen the neem tree. Example is neem, bulmohor, banyan, people, other etc. These are the examples of these plants. They grow. These trees they grow in a warm climate, and they shed their leaves in the winter, in the cold climate, because they cannot bear the cold. That's why they shed their leaves to protect. Why do they shed their leaves? Because to protect them from the cold, they shed their leaves. They make use of the air, water, sunlight and the soil also. So here these are the examples of plains. Then when you go to the hilly areas like Uti, Kashmir, Darjeeling, here the hilly areas, plants on mountains, MOUNTAN, mountains and hilly areas. Where here the plants which are growing, because it is too cold these places. That's why the plants which are growing like this in a conical shape. That's why these plants are called. Now the sloping shape of these plants will make the snowfall slide off the snows very easily, and here you will find the leaves also in a needle-like shape. They protect losing from water. And the flowers will not grow on these plants. Why? Because instead of flowers, they grow seeds inside them. So that is why the needle-like leaves will have some sort of protection over here. That's why it will not grow properly. The example I will give you: pine, cedar, pine, cedar, and spruce. These are the fir. Fir is also one example I can give you. In your textbook also the pictures are there. You can see those pictures. See here, you can see pine, fir, and cedar are the examples of this. So they protect, these leaves also they protect from the damaging the leaves and all. So trees do not bear flowers, instead they bear cones with the seeds inside them. Now plants in the deserts. Desert plants. So you will find desert plants means sandy areas wherever you go. The example means the dry climate. You will not find you will not find the water there. Then also the plants are growing. Plants in deserts. Plants in desert. So these plants are like this. Greenery you will find, but you will find a thorn on the plants. The best aloe vera, it is commonly growing here. You might have seen the aloe vera plants. The sides, on the edges of the leaves, you will find the thorns. Is it not? Why do these plants are having the thorns on the sides? Because they protect themselves from the animals. That's why. And also it protects the losing the water from it. So these are the two adaptations. In the small water, and the roots of these plants will go just under the surface of the ground to find the little amount of water also you will, to find it goes inside the ground. So even the barrel cactus, what happens sometimes the rain is not there. Water is not there, it becomes grey color. So whenever the water falls, again the rain, when they get water, it becomes green in color. So example, barrel cactus, opuntia are the best examples. Example is what? Opuntia. Opuntia. Opuntia, it will be like this. The leaves are round in shape. So you will find this. You will not find the colors also. So like this. These are the plants of opuntia. Now aloe vera is also best one. Date, palm. These are the examples of desert. Date, palm, and aloe, A-L-O-E. Aloe is the example of desert plants. Opuntia also. Now these plants, in the stem, they provide water, and chlorophyll is present in the stem. That's why they can make their own food. When the water is not there, they make use of the water, the stored water inside the plant, they make use of it. So these are the special features of these desert plants. Okay, in our next video, we will see some other places of adaptation in plants. Thank you.